What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Crypto Gamers here, out with another video. And today I'm just going to talk about my recent trade with Bitcoin, how it all went, and I'm also going to go over how to trade on Bybit and Gate.io because those are places I'm trading at. So yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, go ahead and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, so you guys don't miss out on my trade alerts and tutorials. All right, guys, it really helps out with the algorithm as well. All right, so yesterday I basically put out a video. Let me see that video. Let's see. Yeah, I put out a video talking about my next Bitcoin trade. Basically, I was waiting for a double bottom right here on this major trend line, also on this major support area, and I was expecting a bounce, some sort of bounce from there. Not only that, but we had a let's go on the 4-hour time frame. We actually had a bullish divergence here. This going down, price going down, while the RSI is looking to potentially go up, right? A future hidden bullish divergence here. And not only that, but we had a RSI trend line going up 1, 2, and I expected it to bounce off this third one again. And also, yeah, so once that double bottom hit, that was my, once I saw that green candle right here, that was my entry signal to get in. All right, guys, so basically I entered here, around here, and I actually just got out of my trade just to be safe, just because I basically target a 1-to-1 on these types of trades. I'll go over kind of like profit targets in other videos, but yeah, so I basically made pretty nice, $811 on that. I also made a trade on Tezos right here. I made a trade on Cardano right here, up $900. Made a trade on DOT for $900, and also am in a few other trades right now: Ethereum, Link, Litecoin, and Uniswap. Basically what I did was I like to kind of time what Bitcoin's going to do. If I think Bitcoin is going to double bottom and head up, that's when I usually like to enter into my positions. But I could go into all that later in a different video, showing my strategies. But yeah, also Link. Basically, what happened was, we saw it broke above this resistance here, this major parallel channel, right? As you guys can see here, 1, 2, 3 touch, 1, 2, 3 touch, and it broke out of this, looking to potentially go parabolic right now. And what I was waiting for was, I was waiting for a breakout, and I got in on this retest on this big green candle right here, right? And now it's actually coming back and retesting again. Now it's printing another green candle. It's actually really good news. So I'm still waiting on that. My profit target is going to be around 1-to-1 on this trade. And my ATR stop loss is going to be 1 ATR below the previous swing low. So if you guys, follow my Telegram group, I post all my trade alerts there. Really easy to follow trades where I post stop loss, target, entries, when to enter exactly, just to make things easy, especially easy for beginners. But yeah, so that's basically what's going on with Link. My Litecoin trade right now that I'm in, basically the same thing. It's obviously going very well. I entered it around right here because I saw it broke out, created multiple dojis, and created a nice big green candle, engulfing candle here, kind of broke out in this descending wedge here on top of this major breakout area, as you guys can see here, right? And now we're kind of heading back into this another parallel channel here, and I think we're kind of breaking out now. Let's check it out. Yeah, we've pretty much broken out of this channel. So, and we've actually, might pull back again. As you guys can see, we're in a definite trend here: higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, most likely a lower high, then most likely keep going up from there. All right, guys, so I'm still in that Litecoin trade, but for now I'm going to teach you guys how to trade on Bybit. It's really easy. All right, so basically, I mainly use USDT, sometimes USD if I think Bitcoin or Ethereum's going up. I also trade EOS, XRP as well. Basically, what you do is, if I send you guys an entry signal, you want to take to get your orders filled. You kind of want to take the medium to high price, right? So let's say you want to enter Bitcoin right now, around $57,310. So what you want to do is first of all, you need to figure out your stop loss, all right? So let's just take this for example. Let's say you entered here along with me. Your stop loss, let's say it's around $50, right? Risking about 1 to 2% of your bankroll. And so in order to do that, if you're using 10x leverage, this 3.6% is going to be 36%. Okay, guys. So basically what you do is you take $50, you divide by 0.36, which is 36%. And then you have, $139, right? That's how much you could put up. And then, so what you do is you buy with a take profit stop loss. Stop loss would be, actually, let's take this a little bit further right here. All right, stop loss would be around 55,500. All you do is take that 55,500. Okay. Let me check this out here. You take the quantity, right? So, and you want to match it up so your loss is around $50. So right now it's 250 and quantity is around 0.138. So you're going to want to lower that to around maybe 0.05. Oops, sorry guys. .028. I do that just because it's easier for me personally rather than just using a calculator, but you guys could use a calculator to try and figure that out as well. So that's pretty much all you do. Obviously the price went up, so you're gonna have to adjust your price. 57,330 1.5, right? And then all you do is open up a long. As you can see, the order value 10x is 162 times 10, which is 1605, right? So you pretty much do that, hit long, and then you're good to go. So let's do this. 57,003. 50,005. All right, so now we have our Bitcoin trade open now, as you guys can see. And pretty much all you need to do is you want to figure out your target. I give targets in my Telegram as well. Let's say we're just targeting 1-to-1. So target would be around 59,652. All you do is go to close by limit. Type 59,652. And you guys can see your expected profit is a little bit over 1-to-1, right? So that's basically it. You could always use a trailing stop. I wouldn't recommend touching any of these. I would just, you could use a trailing stop, but I think that's more for advanced traders that kind of know exactly like when to, how to use that. But for you guys, I would just recommend that. And again, do not use market. Do not use a market order because you have to pay fees in order to do that. And it basically takes the worst price and it gives it to you. So you're not only paying a premium in fees, but you're also paying a premium in the price. All right, guys. And then basically, yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to close it now, all you do is close by limit. You take the these are the buy orders. So you take one of these buy orders. You do the top one or the bottom one. I like to kind of choose in the middle just to get my order filled. 57,380. 2.5. my profit would be $1, right? So yeah, and then automatically just closes right there. Okay, guys. And then you could also go to, my orders, my assets. You can look at your profit and loss. You can look at your right here. You can look at your orders, assets. You can look at your profit and loss. It does all that for you. All right, guys. So let me know if you have any more questions with that. We could get to Gate.io next. It's pretty much the same thing, you guys. So let's take for Bitcoin Cash, for example. Let's say we want to enter now. We want to have a stop loss around, 0.076. This is just, let's say 1 ATR below the swing low, right? We want to get a 1-to-1. All right. So we want to take, and let's say you're 1% or 2% is around $50. All you do is take $50 divided by 0.24, so you'd be risking about $208, right? I wouldn't recommend Gate. You won't be using leverage. You'll only be using just regular, 1x. So obviously you'll be, and then you basically put that amount here, $208. Amount in BCH will be that, and here are the orders. These are the sells. So when you're buying, you'll be looking at these. So I want to buy right now. Let's take 1277 point, just to get an order filled. Yeah, and then that's what I already have. I don't have enough money to buy anything right now because I'm already in a bunch of positions. But basically, you do that, and then if you want to create a limit order, it's very, very easy. All you do is, you go to here, you type in the price you want to sell at, right? So let's say we want to sell at 1600, which is our target. You basically just go back here, you type in 1600, you type in amount BCH 100%, right? If you're trying to sell all of your BCH. And then as soon as it reaches that, it'll trigger that sell limit, and it'll take profit for you. Okay, guys. You could also do stop orders. Stop orders, basically, you go to stop order right here. You take the trigger price. Let's say our stop loss is, 974. We want our trigger price to happen before that. So let's say around, 1,000. And then let's say our stop loss is, 965. We can do a little bit more because most likely if it hits 965, it's going to go past our stop loss because of, it's most likely going to be a market order or a limit. Or it might go, might dump a little bit past that. So we want to be a little bit safe. Maybe 975. And you also have to set your stop order before the market, before you set a limit order, because the limit order will, once you place that limit order, you basically won't have any left to create a stop order, if that makes sense to you guys. Valid for, at least three to 4 days. Order quantity, you take how much BCH you have. In this case, I think we had around 0.1638, right? So you just put that there, and then you click sell BCH. And so basically, once it hits this area around 1,000, it'll trigger that. If it gets to your stop loss, it'll trigger an automatic sell, so you don't lose any more. All right, so that's basically it. That's all you need to know. And then Gate, all you need to do is, to look at your wallet, you just go here, you look at your funds overview. You could deposit, withdraw using pretty much any type of cryptocurrency. Makes it really easy. Make sure you're using, depositing using Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network. And depositing Ethereum for Ethereum network as well. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. As for any more trades right now, I'm looking at I'm just looking to stay in my Litecoin, Ethereum, and Link position right now. Bitcoin, it could possibly get rejected. I really don't want to enter any trades when it's when I'm unsure what it's going to do. I'm waiting for it to either break out of this, retest, and go further, and potentially. We also have this major resistance here. I do want to see us break this resistance as well, break up, pull back onto this resistance in order to be safe as well. Plus, it's hitting this RSI resistance, so it could potentially go back down and kind of hit this over again. But that's a different strategy for a different video. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. And yeah, trade safe out there. Thanks, guys. Bye.